Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30302, the SpiderMan Glider. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing more of these videos, one a day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these a day for the recent past. So if you like this kind of thing, there's already about 130 of them up on YouTube. And there's already about 130 of them up on YouTube. And there's many more on the way. So if this is the kind of thing you enjoy, please think about subscribing. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description for where you can find this set on Amazon as well as on Bricklink, and there's also a link to Brickset if you just want information about this specific set. Alright, this Spider-Man looks, I'm pretty sure, identical to the one from the Polybag yesterday, the Spider-Man Super Jumper. So I guess you can't have too many Spider-Men. Maybe. Kind of be cool to get a little different looking Spider-Man though. Maybe a variant on the costume, that kind of thing. I don't know. Alright. So I don't exactly know what good old Spidey needs with a glider, but maybe he has use for them that I cannot figure out. I can tell you from what I've learned from the Japanese Spider-Man series, he definitely does need a giant robot. So, I don't know. I guess maybe you need a giant robot and a glider. And a combat drone to fight with. Must be really complicated being a Spider-Man. I mean, just there's this. I feel like there's a lot of stuff that you have to deal with. There's a lot of stuff going on. The act of Spider-Manning must be fairly involved. I mean, there's a lot of equipment you have to deal with. I mean, it must be remarkably difficult to upkeep your giant robot too. Alright. So we are going to add a little extra support to the wings, which makes me feel a bit better. That is not the piece I needed. This is the piece I needed. So we're going to add a little extra support to the wings. And wow, okay. And then we're going to add these, which I'm assuming we're going to get. So we get this and this. So we get this and this. Wow, I just can't. I just did not want to go in there. And then we put these on to further hold everything together. Alright. So that makes pretty solid, the wing's pretty solid. Except for I keep dropping the things. Alright. That takes care of the wings. Like so. Let's care of that. And the spider glider grabs onto things? That was unexpected. Alright, so spider glider has claws. Apparently. Interesting. I was not expecting it to go there. Like, I really was not expecting there to be claws. Alright, so yeah, they are lined up with this. So clips in the middle and clips in the middle, like so. Alright, so that takes care of those. And then we flip it back over. And And this goes here, like so. Maybe this goes here. That goes there. And then we put this thing. I'm guessing this is our giant thruster thing. Like so. And then we got our cannons. So these are going to be. I'm almost certain. Cannons go there. And these go here. Like that. And like this. Like that. And then alright. This goes here. Ah, I folded up the paws accidentally. That goes there. And then this one goes here. And this one goes here. Like so. Alright, and we put this on the front. And the steering wheel. Like that. And these go on the wing tips. Face it this way. Yeah. Alright, that goes there. And this goes here. I feel like I keep putting this to, like, this is like, I feel like it should be flying this way and not this way. Weird. Alright. So anyway, we got these little pieces of the wing go there. And piece of the wing goes here. Like so. Alright. And then we gotta make our little missiles to shoot. So these are our missiles. I guess it really is complicated being a Spider-Man. Got a glider, and got a giant robot, all kinds of stuff. I wonder if there's a spider car. Alright, extra piece. And then good old Spidey hops on his hot rod type thing and hot rods around. It does seem like he's riding like a hot rod, doesn't he? Ew. Alright. So that's a weird one. And it has landing claws to land on things. So yeah, that's a strange one. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. It was sort of feels backwards, but you know, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Kind of a strange one, but I like Spider-Man, so I can forgive him occasionally having a glider. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.